Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video.
Apple cider vinegar is a staple in the kitchen that offers many impressive health, beauty, household, and kitchen benefits. These include cleaning, hair washing, food preservation, and improving skin function. Learn 5 surprising uses for apple cider vinegar now. As a deodorant, apple cider vinegar is known to have antibacterial properties. Therefore, it's often claimed that apple cider vinegar can eliminate bad odors. You can try it by mixing 1 part apple cider vinegar with 1 part water to make a deodorant spray. In addition to this recipe, you can also mix apple cider vinegar with water and Epsom salt to make a foot scrub. This can help eliminate unwanted foot odor by killing the bacteria that cause foot odor. To make an all-purpose cleaner, apple cider vinegar is often used as a natural alternative to commercial cleaning products because of its antibacterial properties. Mix 1 cup of water with half a cup of apple cider vinegar and you have a natural all-purpose cleaner. For washing fruits and vegetables, pesticide residue on fruits and vegetables can be a problem for many people. That's why some people like to wash fruits and vegetables with apple cider vinegar. The hope is that it removes more chemical residues than water alone. Did you know that studies have shown that washing food with apple cider vinegar removes dangerous bacteria like E. coli and Salmonella? Amazing, isn't it? To clean your toothbrush. To have really clean teeth, it pays to pay attention to how clean your toothbrush is. Since apple cider vinegar has antibacterial properties, you can use it as a homemade cleaner for your toothbrush. To make your own toothbrush cleaner, mix half a cup, 120 milliliters of water with 2 tablespoons, 30 milliliters of apple cider vinegar, and 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Mix well and leave the toothbrush head in the mixture for 30 minutes. Make sure you rinse the brush well with water before use. Otherwise, the acidity of the undiluted vinegar can damage your teeth. As a dishwashing liquid, washing your dishes with apple cider vinegar will kill unwanted bacteria and keep your dishes clean. Some people even put apple cider vinegar in the dishwasher. As you've seen, apple cider vinegar is an extremely versatile household item that has many different uses. Using apple cider vinegar can be a cheap and easy way to solve many problems in your household. So, did you like it? If you already knew, tell me in the comments, and don't forget to leave your like. And if you've gotten this far, post apple cider vinegar in the comments. I wish you good health.